In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off chat on your Wix website. Whether you're looking to streamline your site's user experience or simply take a break from instant messaging, disabling the chat feature can be a quick and easy process. So let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Wix website editor where all the customization magic happens. If you're already familiar with accessing your site, you know the drill. If not, you can find the Wix editor by logging into your Wix account and selecting the specific website you plan to work on. Once you're inside the editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already acquainted. This will make finding the tools a lot easier. Now, with your site open in the Wix editor, it's time to locate the chat feature you want to remove. This is typically a box or a widget that visitors can use to message you directly from your website. What you'll want to do is hover your mouse over this chat area. When you do, you'll likely see some options appear as you interact with the element. The next step is to right click on the chat feature. This action is similar to how you would right click to see options on your computer. Doing so will reveal a context menu with several options related to the chat widget. Among these options, look for the one labeled delete and click it. This will effectively remove the chat feature from your website. Don't worry, deleting it through the editor won't erase your chat history or any important data. It simply removes the widget from your site's public facing pages. As a quick tip, before you click delete, double check to ensure that the correct element is selected, especially if your page is bustling with various widgets. This ensures you don't accidentally remove something you intended to keep. And remember, if you change your mind later, you can always re-add the chat feature through the Wix app market. Once you've clicked delete, you should no longer see the chat widget on your preview or live site pages. This change will help create a streamlined experience for your visitors or grant you that added layer of simplicity you might be seeking for a while. Now that you've completed these steps, be sure to save your changes in the editor. That way everything you've adjusted will be live once you exit the editor. And that's it, you've successfully turned off the chat feature on your Wix website. I hope this guide was helpful and that you've enjoyed following along. If there's anything more you'd like to learn about editing your website, feel free to reach out or check out our other videos for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and happy website editing.